Hello children, once again I Preeti Shrivastava welcome you all to the online class of Divine Public School. Today I will teach you EVS. This is your EVS book Picture Planet. Today we will learn about animals. First of all, pet animals. Who are pet animals? Animals whom we can tame. They are called pet animals. Dogs and cats are pet animals. These animals can be kept at home, or we can say we can keep these animals with us at our home for our enjoyment. Domestic animals. Who are domestic animals? Domestic animals are those animals that has been kept by humans for livestock activities. Domestic animals are depend on humans for its shelter, food, water and general care. They are very useful. They give us milk, meat, eggs, wool, etc. After domestic animals, who are wild animals? Wild animals are those animals who live in the forest. Okay? They live in nature. They depend only on themselves to survive. After wild animals, we will learn about water animals. Water animals live in water. They breathe in water through their gills or directly through its skin. Fish cannot live without water. After that, reptiles. Who are reptiles? An animal that has cold blood and skin covered in scales are called reptiles. Most of the reptiles lay eggs. Reptiles crawl or move on their bellies. Okay children, let's start and open page number 16. Here is written pet and domestic animals. Just now I told you pet animals are those animals whom we can keep at our home for our enjoyment. Okay? Domestic animals we can see near our house or on the road, and we can tame also. They need shelter. This is a cow. C-O-W, cow. Cow gives us milk. It found in many colors. This is a cat. Cat is a pet animal. Cow is a domestic animal. Cat is a pet animal. C-A-T, cat. Cat kills and eat rats. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Camel is sheep of the desert. Camel is a domestic animal. Donkey. Donkeys carry our loads on their back. Donkey is a domestic animal. This is a buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, Buffalo. Buffalo gives us milk.
Goat. 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 Goat gives us milk and meat. It is also a domestic animal. SHEEP, sheep, or we can say SHEEP, sheep. Sheep gives us wool. HORSE, horse. Horses run very fast. In olden days, horses were the only mode of transport. They are used for riding also. Horse is a domestic animal. DOG, dog. Dog is a very faithful animal. It guards our houses.
Now all of you open page number 17. Here is written, write P for pet and D for domestic animals. Okay children, just now I told you about pet and domestic animals. You have to find out pet animals and domestic animals and write D for domestic and P for pet animals. Which animal is this? Camel. Camel is a domestic animal, so you have to write here D like this. This is a goat. Goat is also a domestic animal, so you have to write here D. This is a cow. Cow is also a domestic animal. Write here D. This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal, so you have to write here P. Cat is a pet animal. Write here P. Donkey. Donkey is domestic animal, so you have to write here D. Which animal is this? Sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. You have to write D in this box. Now paste the sticker of an animal who live in kennel. Who live in kennel? Dog lives in kennel. So you have to take out the sticker and paste sticker of dog here like this. Okay children? Now next question is, answer these. Which is your favorite pet animal? Which is your favorite pet animal? If your favorite pet animal is cat, then you have to write here cat. If your favorite pet animal is dog, then you have to write here dog. D-O-G, dog. Do you have any pet animal at home? If you have any pet animal at home, then you will tick on yes. Next question is, if yes, name it. If you will tick on yes, you have to write here name of your pet animal. Suppose your pet animal's name is Tommy, then you will write here Tommy, T-O-M-M-Y. Okay, Tommy. And if you tick on no, then you will not write anything here. Okay, like this you will complete page number 17. Wild animals. Wild animals live in jungle. W-I-L-D, wild. A-N-I-M-A-L-S. This is page number 18. CHIMPANZEE, chimpanzee. GIRAFFE, giraffe. ELEPHANT, elephant. PANDA, panda. ZEBRA, zebra. MONKEY, monkey. KANGAROO, kangaroo.
WOLF wolf. LION lion. LEOPARD
leopard,
TIGER tiger. RHINOCEROS
rhinoceros,
chimpanzee. Chimpanzee has long arms extend below their knees, short legs, and black hair covering almost their entire body. Their faces are flat with big eyes, a small nose, and a wide mouth. Okay, children? Now, which animal is this? Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal on the earth. It can run very fast. Which animal is this? Elephant. Elephant is the largest land mammal on the earth. It has a large body. It has large ears, two tusks, and a short tail. Elephant has a long trunk and 4 legs. Now, which animal is this? Panda. Panda is a largest. Which animal is this? Panda. It has large black patches on its body, around its eyes, and over the ears. Pandas are very lazy. Now, which animal is this? Zebra. Zebra has black and white stripes on its body. They are very close to horse. Now, which animal is this? Monkey. Monkeys are like human in many ways. They eat food, fruits, insects, flowers, leaves, and reptiles. Some monkeys can swim. They live on trees and jump from one branch to another. Now, which animal is this? Kangaroo. Kangaroo has a pouch to carry its baby. Which animal is this? Wolf. Wolves are the largest member of dog family. They live and hunt together. Now, which animal is this? Lion. Lion is the king of forest. It is very strong animal. Lion roars. Leopard. Leopards are skilled climbers. Leopards like to rest in the branches of trees during the day. Leopards are powerful big cats. They are very near to lions, tigers, and jaguar. Now, which animal is this? Tiger. Oh, tiger is the national animal of India. It is the largest member of cat family. They are very strong. They have dark vertical stripes and reddish orange fur. Tiger runs very fast. Now, which animal is this? Rhinoceros. It is the second largest land mammal on our planet. It has poor eyesight but amazing sense. Rhinoceros needs our help to survive. It found in Africa and South Asia. Now all of you open page number 19. Here is written, paste the sticker of an animal who have a pocket for carrying their babies. Who have a pocket for carrying their babies? Kangaroo. Okay. You have to paste sticker of kangaroo here. Okay, like this. Next question is, look at the pictures and write the names of animals in the correct box given below. Okay. Two boxes are here. One for domestic animals and one for wild animals. Many animals are here. You have to find out domestic animals and wild animals and write their names in the given boxes. Now which animal is this? Elephant. Elephant is a wild animal. So you have to write elephant in here. Okay? E L E P H A N T, elephant. Okay. Now which animal is this? Goat. Goat is a domestic animal. All of you write here goat. G O A T, goat. Which animal is this? Panda. Panda is wild animal. All of you write here panda. P A N D A, panda. Now which animal is this? Giraffe. Giraffe. Giraffe is a wild animal. So you have to write here giraffe. 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 Okay children. Now which animal? Donkey is a domestic animal. All of you write here donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Now which animal is this? Wolf. Wolf is a wild animal. W-O-L-F, wolf. Now which animal is this? Zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. All of you write zebra here. Z-E-B-R-A, zebra. Now which animal is this? Horse. Horse is a domestic animal. You have to write horse here in the box of domestic animal. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Now which animal is this? Camel. Camel is a domestic animal. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Now which animal is this? Buffalo. Buffalo is a domestic animal. You have to write here buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Now which animal is this? Sheep. Sheep is a domestic animal. So you have to write here sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Now which animal is this? Tiger. Tiger is a wild animal and tiger is our national animal also. T-I-G-E-R, tiger. Like this you will complete page number 19. Okay. With the help of a scale you can draw lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 lines with the help of a scale. Then find out domestic animals and wild animals. Okay, and write their names. Now all of you open page number 20. Water animals and reptiles. Water animals live in water. D-O-L-P-H-I-N, dolphin. Dolphin like to live in group. Dolphins are very intelligent animal. S-H-A-R-K, shark. Sharks like to eat fish and large sea mammals. Sharks live in the deep sea. FISH, fish. Fish is an animal which lives
and breathe in water through gills.
and have fins and scales. Octopus. OCTOPUS.
Octopus. Octopus has 3 hearts
and blue blood. They are boneless. They have 9 brains and 8 long arms. PRAWN, prawn. Prawn is an edible shellfish. Prawns have 10 legs, 3 claws and a tail. CRAB, crab. Crabs are known as spider of the sea.
They breathe
Through their gills. Okay, these all are water animals. All of you learn all these spellings. Once again, all of you read. DOLPHIN, dolphin. SHARK, shark. FISH, fish. OCTOPUS, octopus. PRAWN, prawn. CRAB, crab. Now reptiles. REPTILES, reptiles. LIZARD, lizard. Lizards are the reptiles with 4 legs and a rough or spiny skin. Snake. SNAKE, snake. It is a reptile with a long, slender, limbless body. Many snakes have a poisonous bite. CROCODILE, crocodile. Crocodiles have long jaws and a tail. Eyes, ears, and nostril are located near the top of the head and are exposed when the crocodile floats on the surface of the water. DINOSAUR, dinosaur. Dinosaurs are the diverse group of reptiles. CHAMELEON, chameleon. Chameleon is a small lizard that is able to change colors according its surroundings. Turtle. TURTLE, turtle. Turtle is a freshwater reptile with a bony shell and webbed toes. Okay, all of you learn all these spellings. They all are reptiles. Once again, all of you read with me. LIZARD, lizard. SNAKE, snake. CROCODILE, crocodile. DINOSAUR, dinosaur. CHAMELEON, chameleon. TURTLE, turtle. Okay children, all of you learn all these spellings. Now all of you open page number 21. Here is written, look at the pictures carefully and write W for water animals and R for reptiles. Children, you have to see all the pictures very carefully and write W for water animals and R for reptiles in the given boxes. Okay? This is shark.
Shark lives in water.
So you have to write here W. Okay? Snake is a reptile. So you have to write here R. This is crab. Crab is a water animal. Write here W. This is prawn. Prawn is also a water animal. Write here W. This is crocodile. Crocodile is a reptile. Write here R. This is reptile. Chameleon. Okay. This is turtle. Turtle is also a reptile. Write here R. This is dolphin. Dolphin is the water animal, so write here W. This is lizard. Lizard is a reptile. Write here R. Now here is written, paste the sticker of a reptile which you usually see at homes. Which reptile you see at your home? Lizard. So you have to paste sticker of lizard in this box. Like this you will paste the sticker of lizard. Okay. And complete page number 21. Okay children.